Number 1 says choose the best answer. When you multiply a number by a fraction greater than 1, the product is equal to the number, the product is greater than the number, the product is less than the number, or we don't have enough information to know about the size of the product. So again, anytime you take a number and you multiply it by a fraction that is greater than 1, we know that our answer is also going to be greater than that number. So the second one is the best answer. Number 2 says Jacory made $223.20 for 12 hours of work. How much did he make in 1 hour? So we know if he makes $223.20 in 12 hours, we have to divide by 12 to figure out what he makes in 1 hour. So now to actually solve, we have to divide. 12 goes into 22 one time, subtract, bring down. 12 goes into 103, 8 times 12 is 96, subtract, we can't do 3 minus 7, so we borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7, bring down. 12 goes into 72 6 times. 6 times 12 is 72. Subtract. Bring down the 0. 12 goes into 0 0 times. And then since we have two places, in 1 hour, Jacory makes $18.60. Number 3 says Catania is cutting out rectangles for an art project. Each rectangle has side lengths that are 7/8 of the previous rectangle's side lengths. The last rectangle that Catania cut out was 3/4 by 2/3. What will the side length of the next rectangle be? So, for this one, it would be 7/8 of 3/4. And the next one would be 7/8 of 2/3. Anytime we have of, we know we're multiplying. So 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 4 is 32. So one of the side lengths would be 21/32 inches. Then, again, 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 3 is 24. So the next side would be 14/24 inches. So there would be our two side lengths. Number 4 says a bakery sells pie slices that are 1/6 of the pie. If they made 18 pies today, how many slices of pie will they have? So we have 18 pies, and we're dividing them into 6. And that'll equal P for pie. So to actually solve, we take 18, we multiply that by the reciprocal, means we switch our numerator and our denominator, and then we solve. 1 times 1 is 1, 18 times 6, 6 times 8 is 48, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 108. So with 18 pies divided into 6, they would have 108 slices of pie. Number 5 says explain how you solve problem 2. So again, depending on the method you use, if you estimated, explain how you estimated. If you just solved, explain how you solved step by step. We divided 223 in 20 hundredths divided by 12. When you actually divide, you figure out that the answer is $18.60 per hour.